Hindi ko kasi alam kung may data pa yung wifi, yung SIM card ko guys eh. Kailangan ko na yata bumili ng ng bagong SIM. Okay. Sige, huwag kayong magalit. Nagpiprep lang kami. Gusto niya makita yung sasuot ko mamaya. I love you too. Hindi ata naloloadan yung... Hindi ko alam paano mag-load ng SIM dito eh. Hindi ako naka-roaming. Kasi ako marunong eh. Hindi ko na rin siya naasikaso nung bago ko umalis. Hala, tapusin mo yung research paper na yan. Sexy girl. Lagi na lang may sakit yung tao. Ganto yung hair. Ganto yata yung unang hair. Kasi may susuot kami headdress sa unang outfit. 5 outfit ata kami. Pero isa pa lang yung napipit namin. Tingnan nyo yung pimple ko iso. This is real skin. It's a matter of where you put the light. See? Yes, nasa Bangkok po. Ang ganda ng hotel, nung mall na kung nasan kami, yung Icon Siam. Pero hindi siya din maganda kasi wala kang pambili dito. Kahit Zara, wala akong pambili. Sexy girl. Shout out to everyone! Uy, ang dami nyo naman. Please share the live. Sana hindi ako lag. Thank you guys.
แบบไอ้นี่ใช่ไหมคะแบบนกที่มันคงมันเป็นกล่อง
I love you.
แต่ว่ามันไม่ใช่ขนนกนะ
My firework.
เปิดเราไหม
Ano po,
เอาไปเลยค่ะใช้ได้
hairstylist.
เลยค่ะไม่เป็นไรหนูมีเยอะ
Oh, sorry. Sorry.
You can.
Last night I took a walk in the snow. Cause all the places to go. Seems like everyone but me is in love. Santa can't.
Oh my God, it's December already. Sana marami akong gift sa Pasko. Lamig. Opo, mag-change hairstyle din daw po kami later. Di ko lang, thank you! Ang cute naman yan. Di ko lang alam paano nila gagawin kasi sabi, magpapalit daw kami ng hair mamaya for the next outfits. Yung una kasing outfit, parang traditional costumes ata siya, yung tawag. Or anything related with their culture. So, mostly kasi may headdress. So, parang lahat kami ganito yung... Most of us. I don't know with others. But most of us, ganito yung hair. Nandito sa akin yung photo ng damit. Pero hindi ko mapakita muna. Mamaya na lang para surprise. Thank you. Down, please. It's you. My Christmas tree. Set up. Guys, thank you po sa mga gifts. Thank you. I'm planning to go back to do vlogging, but the problem is my camera is in the Philippines. And I have no laptop, or iPad. Hindi ko alam. Pero parang gusto ko sana mag-vlog. Like, pag ganito may mga ginagawa kami. And then, yeah. So, bumalik sa vlogging. Pero baka sa TikTok na lang, hindi na sa YouTube. I'm not sure. I need your suggestions, guys. Gusto ko sana ng Osmo. So, if may gusto sa inyong bumili pala, kasi bebenta ko na rin yung camera ko. I'm planning to sell it. Actually, nung nakaraan ko pa siyang binibenta, pero hindi ko na rin naasikaso yung inquiries. Yung Sony ZV-E10 po. I'm selling it. I'll sell it for 35 siguro. Pero kit lens lang po yun. Tapos, nandun pa naman lahat. Charger, battery, memory card, bag, camera bag. Oh my, inaantok ako. I need my coffee again. Thank you. 6 p.m. PM po yung show. Hopefully, invite ako ng Agoo or ng La Union. Pag po ma-invite tayo.
Okay na lang.
Ang dami niyo naman. Sorry. Sorry. Saan ka na ilaw dito? Ay po sa mga Zambalenyo. Eyes never lie. Wait, ano yun? Nakita ko yun ah. Pahinga din. No! I'm okay. I'm okay. Actually, guys, my eyes are always like this. Talaga. Ganito lang talaga siya. I always look sleepy. Hindi ako mapagsalita kasi para hindi siya magulo. Pero yun, ano talaga yung mata ko, guys? How do you say it? Droopy eyes ba yun? Minsan may mga comment, like, like drunk daw ba ako or what? No, I'm not. I'm not even drinking. I don't drink. It's just my eyes, guys. Kaya, minsan what do you call this? Pag sa makeup, minsan kailangan talaga namin siyang i-open kasi yung mata ko itself, yeah, sleepy eyes. I have sleepy eyes. And then, dagdag na natin kapag ka talagang inaantok talaga ako. Di ba parang mabigat yung eyes natin. So, parang mas lalong mukha kong inaantok talaga. Ganun. Para no, it's just my eyes. I can't do anything with it unless magpa-fox eyes ako or what. Yeah. No, di ako nag-live yesterday. No, hindi ko pa po na-meet sa Engka. I mean, nung last time, nasa event po namin siya. Pero like, meet and talk with her, no, not yet. We have a fashion show po later dito sa Icon. Nasa Pinas na po sila, Mami Yaj. Nasa likod. Hairstylist po. Miss, asan ba si Saki? Nasa loob at nandun yata sa, namin, parang holding area. From dito po, sa Thailand po, may official po kami. Ooh, thank you. Thank you, Jackie. Hi, J4. Thank you also. And now, got me walking side to side. Okay. Thank you. Ang cute na, may heart. Hindi ko po alam kung meron kaming ganun eh. Wala pa pong sinasabi. Actually, wala pa po kaming alam sa schedules namin, guys. Thank you. Nalalaman lang namin yung schedule namin for the following day. Pagbalik po namin ng hotel ng gabi after all the events. Tapos may message lang po kami kung ano yung schedule the next day, ganun. Doon lang po namin malalaman. So, hindi ko pa po alam yung mga next event. Fashion show po today. Hindi ko pa po alam kailan ako uuwi.
Exit. Bye bye.
Lamig. Super lamig, guys. Oh my goodness. Super lamig. Si Maria. Oo po, magko-contacts ako later. Mamaya pa po kasi yung show eh, kaya di pa ako nagle-lens. Kasi pag naka-lens, mabigat sa mata, malabo, and at the same time, inaantok ako.
แสดงบ่อยเกิน ขึ้นโชว์บ่อยเกิน
Pagkatapos ko dito, lalabas muna ako. Hindi ko kaya talaga, sobrang lamig. Shout out. to 7, tsaka si Sir Gia, namimiss ko na. Namimiss ko na pumuntang atrium. Ng 7 to 7, ng Victory Gym, ng Harbor, ng Starbucks, sa Aten. Ng, saan pa ba? Yakiniko. Yung mga taga-Olonga po na nanonood. Tsaka sa SM. At tsaka, saan pa ba? Parang doon lang naman ako lagi pumupunta. Actually, isa sa namimiss ko bumalik mag-workout. Pero feeling ko it will take me a long time to recover. At saka ibalik yung strength ko before. Baka yung 5 kg hindi ko pa mabuhay. But I miss the feeling of working out. Pag nasaga po ako sa Victory Gym, pero pag sa Manila, yung malapit sa condo ko dun sa Surge, sa Capitol, sa Capitolio. Oh, what's that? That's cute. What's the brand? Wake? Yeah. Is it the Thai brand?
Yes.
Huh? No.
Korean.
See, you're Korean.
Not sure.
I'm gonna search. One time be patience. So amazing. Guys, sabi ko sa inyo, pag-uwi ko ako na si Next Sarah G. Magbo-voice lesson na ako pag-uwi para talagang totoong grand voice. Thank you, next. Thank you, next. Thank you. Thank you, next. Oh, this is my song. Thank you, next.
ไม่ได้ใช้น้อย
Yes, no problem. 6 p.m. pa po. Kotaka. Chanrakun. Chanrakun katoy.
น่ารักมาก
Narak.
It means so cute. So cute?
So cute?
Yeah, น่ารักมาก
Narakma.
Yeah,
Narakma.
So cute.
Narakma. Because I'm cute. 3 hours. Mayroon akong 3 hours of sleep.
น้ำทำผมหรือเปล่าทำผมหรือเปล่าน้ำ
Oh, that's a cute tattoo. Is that your dog? Haha, yeah.
She is Lupeng.
Lupeng.
Yeah.
That's so cute. Ang cute ng tattoo niya. Sabi ko dati, kapag magtatattoo ako, pag lang. Pero hindi ko rin iniisip na magtatattoo ako. Pero if lang, tapos like, gagawin ko yun pag tapos na ako sa pageant. Tapos nagpapatattoo ako ng crown. Pero hindi ko in-expect na magkakaroon talaga ako ng crown. So, if ever lang na magbago,
She is Lupeng. My dog.
I thought it was like a small dog. It's not a small dog.
About 35 kilo.
Kilo?
Yeah. Maybe.
She's heavy. She's heavy. She got a golden retriever. Sabi ko kapag pag di ba nanalo ng crown. So, pagka nagbago ang isip ko at gusto ko magpalagay ng tattoo, papalagay ko yung crown na nakuha ko. sa nape. Ewan ko, gusto ko talaga sa nape. Pero, at the same time, di ko din naiisip na mag-patato. Gets niyo ba ako? O ang gulong? Just gotta say, pick it up, down low. Hindi ko po alam. Not sure po kung may cash prize or what. Wala po akong idea. Wala pa po kaming meeting or what. Thank you! Oo, matagal pa ako uuwi, guys. Baka ano pa po, December pa. Gusto ko magkita kami pero at the same time wala po akong pamasahe papunta doon. At saka kailangan kong kumuha ng visa. Alam ko hindi tayo pwedeng dumiretso ng ng bansa nila. I'm not sure with keeping the crown actually. I think they will allow us naman for a year. Then after nun, the transfer. I'm not sure. Required po kami magstay dito ng more than a month. So, hindi pa po ako makaka-uwi. Hindi ko sure kung nandito si Om mamaya. Wala na talaga akong pera, kaya kailangan ko na mag-live at mag-work. Hindi po, uwi po ata kami before Christmas. Yun po ang sabi ni Papa Nawat na bago magpasko, papauwiin niya kami. Hahaha. Kanina niya pa ako sinusum. Di ko naman naririnig sinasabi ni Amy. Hindi ko alam, guys. That's too early to tell. I'm just happy with what I achieved this year. Hindi po lahat ng nananalo may pera. Depende yun. Kasi kapag ikaw yung main winner, of course. But for runners-up, I'm not sure po. Shout out! I'm not sure din if babalik kami. Depende din po. Thank you for the roses. Thank you for the roses. Ganun yun, di ba? Good luck on your upcoming competitions. Sorry, tuloy-tuloy mo lang yan. You'll have your crown then. We're staying in a hotel po. Hello po sa mga bagong pasok sa live and for sharing the live and for tapping the heart. T-Rock. Hi, Kuya Mike, Kuya Rai. Libre po yung food, libre po yung hotel. Meron po kaming service pag may event. I'm not sure, pero baka naka-live naman po sa Grand TV. Hi, Zoe! Slay mo sila. Slay kita, Mami Nicole. Mami Micol, islay kita mamaya. Shout out po, everyone.
มันเราอ่ะนั่นเท่าไหร่แล้วอ่ะนิ้วอ่ะ3 โมง
Gonna do? Wait lang, di ba pwede ito i-zoom? Wow! Amazing. I-so zoom in. Ano po, 1 hour ahead po yung Pilipinas. Anong oras na ba? Hindi ko din alam kung anong oras na, guys. Nagme-makeup po kasi kami. So, kanya-kanya po kami ng pwesto. 3:48. Oh, okay. So, 2:48 dito. Magtito na rin pala. Thank you for the gifts. Guys, lagi niyo akong pinapasali. Magbabayad ba kayo? Lagi niyo akong pinapasali. Namatay yung phone ko. Ba't ganun? Nag-off. Lagi niyo pinapasali din naman kayo nagbayad dito. Give it to me, I'm worth it. Hindi tayo mayaman, Nima. Some would say pageantry is for the rich people, but I would say if your heart is rich with passion, then you can do pageants. I'm not rich by money, but I'm rich with my passion. So, that's why I'm here. Kaya yan. Kaya yan, pero at the same time, iniisip ko, hindi ko kaya yung gastos. So, kailangan natin mag-work. I think that every day, feeling this way, loving myself, nobody else, no. Sino si baby girl? I'm not sure po sa Castillejos. I have to talk to them if they're planning anything like a homecoming or what. I do every day, feeling this way, and I don't think nobody else does. Opo, I know San Narciso Zambales. Full Zambales. Uy, ang hirap naman mag-parade sa buong Zambales, guys. Ano to? 8 hours nagpa-parade. 4 hours papunta, 4 hours pabalik. Anong parade yun? Kayo Ano to? Doon na ako magla-lunch. Habang nagpa-parade, nagla-lunch ako doon. At the same time, yung 4 hours na yun, hindi yun straight na ganon. Hinto-hinto yun kasi parade yun. So, ano na lang. Pwede naman 2 days. Hati-hati. Kayo Sige, sabihin nyo yun sa mga mayor natin sa Zambales. Basta meron tayong mengi po kaming TF. Ang dami ng tao. Madami yata kami for later. Not sure. Really? Happy birthday to you. To all na may birthday, happy birthday to you. Kinikrave ko ngayon, kape ulit. Actually, may swimsuit kami mamaya, pero kailangan ko talaga ng kape. Kanina nagkape ako hot. Nagkape ako ng breakfast. So, kape ulit ako pagdating dito. Pero parang kailangan ko ulit ng kape kasi ako ay antok. Kailangan ko yung barista drink. Guys, ano nga yung customization ng ng barista drink?
Yan, lộn na ng level niya. May lộn po.
Thank you. Age gap namin ng sisters ko. 3 years yung sumunod sa akin and then 9 years yung bunso. Sino po si Faye? Sorry. Ayun, iced what? Iced Americano, no water with brevet and white mocha sauce. Actually, yung niya, no, yung customization niya parang white mocha lang. Ang pangarap ko na lang ngayon ay magkaroon ng clear skin. Ang clear ng skin nila, like yung mga Thai people. Parang like Koreans, ganun. I'm not sure po.
Hey, here's Amy. I have to say, mahal kita.
Mahal din kita.
Mahal kita. Bading.
What? Bading.
Bading. Boom, bading. Daring.
We're gonna dance boom tarat later.
Yes, and ice cream yummy.
And ice cream.
I don't know what ice cream
Oh
yummy.
my God, Amy, why don't say bading.
Why? I thought it means good.
No.
No, I mean,
I mean, it's not a bad word though. But bading means literally gay, like gay. Yeah. But sometimes you just use it like for an expression or something, like bading ka. It's just like that. Nagulat tuloy siya. Loka kayo. Bading tuloy yung sabi niya. Ginawa pang kanta. There's so many models. There's many models. There's a lot.
Yes. Around 13.
30?
Yeah.
Ang dami pala. Kasi hindi kasi namin sila kasama sa rehearsal kanina. Uy, thank you guys. Ang dami na like 700 something. Ang dami naman yan. Excuse me. Is Engfa gonna come? Engfa?
พี่อามคะเขาว่าไงนะคะ
Yes, sorry.
Engfa is gonna come today?
ใกล้จะเสร็จยัง
อ๋อใกล้แล้วค่ะใกล้แล้วค่ะ
They're asking. Nandito daw si Engfa later. I'm not sure lang if she's gonna walk or she's just gonna watch.
นานไหม
จะเสร็จแล้วค่ะ
Ooh. Mamaya tanungin ko sa loob sa ay, hello po sa 2,600 na people of the earth. Ang dami niyo naman. Pero actually, padami ng padami yung mga tao. She's half Thai, half Chinese.
พี่เกดรักแรกโชว์กี่ไหม
Here.
แรกโชว์
She's Ning. Ning is her name.
แต่ที่ไม่ใช่ชุดเนี้ย
And my hairstylist.
โชว์ที่เป็นเล็บปล่อยผมรับสบายเลย
อันนี้โชว์อันนี้เป็นรักแรกกับชุดว่ายน้ำเลย
ใช่ก็คือปล่อยผม
สองตัว
มีแค่โชว์เดียวที่เป็นรวบ
ก็แบบนี้มีแค่สามใช่งั้นพี่ทำสามคนนี้
โอเคได้
Good luck po sa board exam.
ไปนู่นลูกค้าเลย
I'm not pure Filipina. I'm not. Si Papa po is half British. So I have a British blood
ราคาใช่แล้ว
na onte.
เอาไอ้นั่นน่ะเอา
เขาวิกอ๋อ
เอาวิกบัตรแมนนะคะวิกบัตรแมนอะไร
เขาไปบนบาทอะไร
นี่กระถิ่นสักดิ์หรอ
แน่พี่บอสเถอะที่เขาจะฟังแล้วก็จะบอกเลยว่าตกเลยค่ะสิ่งเดียวที่การลงได้ต้องเป็นคอล่าภูเขา
True. Waklain ko na naman kayo mamaya. What is that technique? Ha 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 ha.
Liner.
Liner.
Yeah, lip liner.
Love to play contact lens.
Oh yeah, later.
เรียกว่าไม้ที่สุด
So I will just leave the thank you. The extensions, I will just leave it with you, right?
Yep.
Ah, 1M na. Guys, enlighten nyo ko. Anong meron pag 1M na? Ano ibig yun sabihin? Wala. Nasaway kayo. Voucher? Anong voucher? Ah, pang ranking. Okay, gets na, oo. Para makikita tayo sa ano, FYP.
ไม่หรอก
ต้องสวยแล้ว